back in the studio today / garage. Anyway, today we're back working on the slate that we started earlier in this video, and we're to the point now where I'm taking pendants I finished before and taking the earrings that you saw us pour in the video, the earring pieces, and now we're all the way up to step 10 where we're going to put the glaze on, the first 2 coats of glaze on the fronts. So what I do is I use this Rust-Oleum product, and it just goes on with the brush, and it's clear and provides this nice protective coating onto your slate. The slate has, the paint has already been baked on in step 9 and dried and everything. So now we're ready for this. This is one of the, working towards the final steps before we can decorate them. And you'll see that I've got them done in sets here because I want to make sure that there's a pair of earrings that goes with all of these pendants. So you can see that's why they're laid out in sets. So glazing comes on, and then step 11, we get to start decorating. Woohoo!